is a 1B student, and I'm here today to talk about the importance of understanding the self in my future career. Understanding the self is essential for a person and professional growth, especially in a future career roles. It involves recognizing strength, weakness, value, interests, and goals to make informed career decisions. Self-awareness and include understanding communication style, problem solving, approach, and to enhance collaborations and productivity, preference, investing, self-awareness, empowerment individual to make informed career choice, navigate challenge, and strive for a personal and professional fulfillment. Here are the some reasons why understanding the self is important for success in a future career role. First, identifying strength and weakness. A student can identify their own strength and weakness. That means that a student can decide in which field they can do a better job and in which their weakness will not be a problem. Second, recognizing interest and passion. Understanding the self can help the student understand what one is interested in and passionate about. One's career choice should correspond to one's interests as well as it may ensure job satisfaction. Third, determining skill and talent. Self-understanding can help a student to recognize their unique skill and talent that could be valuable in certain career. Fourth, understanding value. By understanding their own value, a student can choose career that align with their value. For example, if a student value help other, they may be more satisfaction in a service-oriented career. And last one is setting realistic goal. Understanding the self can help students set realistic career goal. By knowing their own capacities and limitations, they can choose career that are achievable and fulfilling. Understanding the self in the context of future career is a crucial for success and fulfillment. It enables students to align their career path with their individual strength, interests, skill, value, and life goal, leading to a more satisfying and successful professional life. And also investing in self-awareness empowers individual to go contribute meaningfully and achieve fulfillment in a future career.